emergency brakes! We need anti-emergency brakes! We need anti-emergency brakes! We need anti-emergency brakes!
We're gonna touch this, guys. Everyone gonna get on it? What the fuck?
We need to hit the emergency brakes.
In jail.
Go to jail.
You should be in jail.
You go to jail.
Crimes against humanity.
You go to jail.
You want to cover up your crimes? We're not going to let you cover up your crimes.
What about the crime you just committed?
The crime of telling the truth? What is the truth of the crime? Emergency! A climate emergency! Our love of cars is killing us. It is killing the earth. Electric vehicles will not save us. They will not save us. There's no cars on a dead planet.
Get out of here, you asshole.
We need to change. There's another way.
We apologize for the interruption, folks. This is the 4 Airport Finance Division.
Lando, get like Mama Leo.
Yeah,
Out of here.